सुस्वागत पिलाई यूट्यूब चैनल प्रगति एजुकेशन तुम मानक हार्दिक स्वागत ज्ञापन करुँच पिलाई ये भिडियो तुम मानक आम उपस्थापन करुचु इंग्राजी व्याकरण पर गोटे क्विज भिडियो। यही भिडियो प्रिपोजिशन रु 30 प्रश्न को सामिल करा जायछि। आम आशा करूँ ये भिडियोटी तुम मानक खूब मजादार एवं उपयोगी साब्यस्त हो पार। भिडियोटी को आरंभ करने पूर्व तुम मानक आम गोटे छोटिया अनुरोध, ये भिडियोटी जब तुमको भल लगे निश्चित भाव गोटे लाइक कर नुआ ही आम चैनल को देखुले यहीपरि उपयोगी भिडियो पाइबा निमंते एवं ही आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करनब। एतद व्यतीत ये भिडियो को देखी कतोटी प्रश्नर सठिक उत्तर तुम्हें निजे दे पाइल कमेंट माध्यम जनइले आम बहुत खुशी हबू। ताले आउ डेरी न करी आरंभ करवा देखिबा इंग्राजी व्याकरण पर पर्यवेसित यही क्विज भिडियोटी। यही भिडियोर प्रथम प्रश्न, द बॉयज आर वॉकिंग डैश द रोड। ऑप्शन दुईटी है ऑन और अलोंग। द राइट ऑप्शन इज अलोंग। द हीराकुद डैम हैज बीन बिल्ट डैश द रिवर महानदी। ऑप्शंस आर across or on. The right option is across. The Hirakud Dam has been built across the river Mahanadi. He died dash cholera. The options are off or in. The right option is off. He died of cholera. He was accused tax theft. Option are with or of. The right option is of. He was accused of theft. Nobody should be deprived tax his property. Options are from or of. The right option is of. Nobody should be deprived of his property. The birds are flying dash the tree. The options are over or on. The right option is over. The birds are flying over the tree. Distribute the sweets dash Ram and Shyam. The options are among or between. The right option is between. Jogesh prefers coffee dash tea. The options are then or to. The right option is to. Jogesh prefers coffee to tea. He is good dash mathematics. The options are at or in. The right option is at. He is good at mathematics. He was born dash 10th July 2015. The options are in or on. The right option is on. He was born on 10th July 2015. This jewelry is made dash gold. The options are with or of. The right option is of. This jewelry is made of gold. He died dash snake bite. The options are in or from. The right option is from. He died from snake bite. My pen differs dash that of yours. Then or from. The right option from. My pen differs from that of yours. He is very fond dash chocolates. The options are of or with. The right option of. He is very fond of chocolates. Are you angry? Dash Manish. The options are on or with. The right option is with. Are you angry with Manish? Banana is sold dash rupees 40 per dozen today. The options are at or on. The right option is at. Banana is sold at rupees 40 per dozen today. Our office is closed dash the Gandhi Park. The options are with or to. The right option is to. Our office is close to the Gandhi Park. The bicycle was leaning dash the wall. The options are against or on. The right option is against. The bicycle was leaning against the wall. I am not agree dash your proposal. The options are to or with. The right option is to. I am not agree to your proposal. Beware dash street dogs. The options are of or to. The right option is of. Beware of street dogs. Distribute the money dash these 5 men. The options are between or among. The right option is among. Distribute the money among the 5 men. All medicines are not bitter dash test. The options are in or by. The right option is by. All medicines are not bitter by taste. Never be cruel dash the animals. The options are for or towards. The right option is towards. Never be cruel towards the animals. He is very aggressive dash nature. The options are with or by. The right option is by. He is very aggressive by nature. The mother is anxious, dash the safety of her son. The options are about or for. The right option is about. The mother is anxious about the safety of her son. It is dangerous to enter dash the enemy's camp. The options are in or into. The right option is into. It is dangerous to enter into the enemy's camp. There is no exception dash this rule. The options are in or to. The right option is to. There is no exception to this rule. Rina is married dash Sombits. The options are with or to. The right option is to. Rina is married to Sombit. He was astonished dash the sad news. The options are with or at. The right option is at. He was astonished at the sad news. Shyam has no control dash his temper. The options are over or on. The right option is over. Shyam has no control over his temper. पिलाए आमर ए क्विज भिडियो ये परिसमाप्ति ए भिडियोटी जो तुमको भल लगी था निश्चित भाव लाइक कर नुआ ही आम चैनल को देखुले यहीपरि उपयोगी भिडियो पाइबा निमंते एबे ही आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करनेब आम पुणी भेटवा आमर आउ एक भिडियो तुम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।